Hello, guys. But sadly, in the 12th of March, we haven't made our video. But we decided to watch Moana 2. But because I'm making you happy with episode 6, I'll record it in 28th of March. It will come soon. Actually, let's see. And let's go to the blank screen. Then let's go. Topy dun, Topy dun, come and see the Topy dun, Topy dun, Topy dun, come and see the Topy dun, freeze. Topy dun, come and see the Topy dun, freeze. Topy dun, come and see the Topy dun, freeze. Topy dun, come and see the Topy dun, see the Topy dun, come and see the Topy dun, happy Topy dun, Topy freeze. Topy dun, come and see the Topy dun, come and see the Topy dun, come and see the Topy dun, happy Halloween, happy Halloween. Topy dun, come and see the Topy dun, come and see the Topy dun, come and see the Topy dun, funny character Topy dun, it's funny character time, freeze. Topy dun, freeze! Yay! Flex ball! Come and see the Topy dun, come and see the Topy dun, hey! Yeah! Let's go. Ouch! Goodbye. Oh no.